say my name until the city burns and the stars fade away and your scars don't hurt. Stay with me until the last man falls. I don't need them anyway. When I'm with you, I have it all. Oh, I'll never let you slip away. Oh, and you don't have to be afraid. I will hold you till the sun comes crashing down. I'm yours until the end of time.
Hi, I'm Lisa. Full disclosure, this dining room cleaning routine actually takes me 15 to 30 minutes. The exciting part is that the more often you do it, the less time it takes each day. The key is to always start with the table so that even if you only have 5 minutes, you will still see a noticeable difference in your space. I'm always looking for ways to make cleaning tasks short and sweet because, frankly, that's the only way I keep up with them. The goal of my channel is to share methods that are working for me so that you too can be more comfortable in your home. Make sure to subscribe and get notified about my next video. See you Monday.